Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about Python programming. So in today's video, I will teach you about the variables. What are the variables in Python? So let's make another file. I click on this. Here I write 03 underscore variables underscore in underscore python, and most important thing py for python file. So what are the variables? So I put hashtag. If you watch previous video, then you can see you know that hashtag is used for writing comments. So I write like what are the variables? Variables are used to store information or piece of information. So example, okay, so I write here name. This is a variable, and in this I store a value which is name is like John. Why I write John in single quotation? Basically, when we write a name or paragraph, we write in double or single quotation. These are called strings. We will talk later about strings, but for now you just have to understand this. And the name John is, the John string is saved in name variable. This is now a variable which store the name which is called John. So when I write print here and I write name, okay, when I write name, but there is a question. In previous video we write anything in print function, we write inside the single quotation. But why we do not write name in single quotation like this one? Because name is a variable, name is not a string. We will discuss about string, but variables are not written in string. You just have to remember this. So I write print name, and when I click on the run button, as you can see, there is print John. Means the value of this variable which I name name, in which a value store which is called John, which is a string, and when I print name, then the value of name is print on the screen. So these are the variables in Python. So I hope you understand it. So these are the variables, and that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.